Hello everyone, I welcome you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about while in German language, where we are going to use while in German language. Let's see. While means because. As we already know, while is a subordinate conjunction, and while using subordinate conjunction, we follow certain rules. Like conjunction is used to combine two sentences. So, where we want to combine two sentences and want to use while, we use this subject, verb, object. The first sentence would be subject, verb, object, and then subjunctive conjunction plus subject, object, and verb goes, which is verb the second position, goes at the end. This is the first way that we are going to use. And the second way, subordinate conjunction come at the first position, then subject plus object plus verb comma verb, then subject object. So here two verbs comes together, but we have a comma between them. Let's see some example like Ich gehe nicht zur Schule. The first sentence, subject, verb, and object. Ich gehe nicht zur Schule. I don't go to school. While is subordinate conjunction. While ich krank bin, because I am ill. The verb which are going to here goes here. Here, while come at the first position. While ich krank bin, because I am ill. Then we have a verb comma verb. Verb comma verb. Gehe ich nicht zur Schule. I don't go to school. Let's see some more example. Ich bin müde, weil ich nicht gut schlafe. Subject of while, verb goes at the end. And the while at the first position, weil ich nicht gut schlafe, bin ich müde. Wir haben kein Geld, weil wir keine Arbeit haben. We have no money because we have no work. The verb goes here at the end. And while wir keine Arbeit haben, haben wir kein Geld. Verb comma verb. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.